The visual representation of our table can be improved with the help of charts. In this video, we will see different types of charts and its use to improve the visual representation of our table. We will use this table. Select only the data in column A, keeping the Shift key pressed on the keyboard. Select the data in column C and D. Go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, select Column Chart. Now select the first column chart. This is the basic column chart. This is the title of the column chart, which can be edited. We will see how to edit it later in this video. These axes can also be edited and formatted. We will see how to do it later in this video. To edit the chart title, double-click inside the text box. This table is all about wildlife population. So we have added the title as wildlife population. To change the overall layout of this chart, select on the chart. The chart tools is displayed on the top. Under the chart tools are the chart design and format tab. Under the chart design tab, we have these options. We will later see their functions. We will see the details about the chart elements later in this video. These are the quick chart layouts. With the help of these quick chart layouts, we can change the layout of our charts very easily. These are the preset chart colors. When used, the entire layout of the chart will change. The row and column values can be reversed with each other with the help of switch row and column. The selected chart data can be changed with the help of select data. You can change the data range or row data or even column data. You can change the chart type without reselecting the entire data with the help of change chart type. Change the chart type to any other chart that you want. Move the chart from one sheet to the other with the help of Move Chart. We will see how to do it later in this video. Next is the Format tab. It has all the formatting options like changing the font, style, color, alignment, and much more. Take a moment to check if you have understood. If no, you can always pause the video and go back. We will create a line chart for this table. Now the line charts are used to display trends over time. Select the table. In the Insert tab, in Charts group, select Line Chart. Now select the first line chart. This is the basic line chart. We want to display the contribution of each animal to the total in a particular year. A pie chart can be used to display this contribution. Now, a pie chart always uses one data series. Select only 1 year data. Go to Insert tab. In the Chart group, select Pie Chart. Select the first pie chart. This is the basic pie chart. Now in this table, we want to show the largest text label. We use bar charts. To form a bar chart, select the entire table. Go to Insert tab. In Charts group, select Column Chart. Select 2D bar chart. This is the basic bar chart. An area chart is a line chart with the area below the lines filled with color. Use a stacker area chart to display the contribution of each value to a total over time. To get an area chart, select the table. In the Insert tab, in the Chart group, in Line Chart, select 2D area chart. This is the basic area chart. When the data in the table changes, the area chart shows changes accordingly. Take a moment to check if you have understood. If no, you can always pause the video and go back. To find the relation between the three columns, we will use the scatter straight line chart. To do so, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, select Scatter Chart. Select the scatter chart with straight line. This is the basic scatter chart with a straight line. In this table, to find out if there is a relation between the salary and the car price, we can use a scatter chart with only markers. To do so, select the table, go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, select the scatter chart. Select the first chart, that is Mark Only chart. You can see that this is the basic Mark Only scatter chart. We will add a trend line to see how the trend is moving. To do so, under the Chart Tools Design tab, go to Add Chart Element drop down and select on Add Trend Line. To create a data series chart with the row and column of numbers, select the data in the table, select the basic column chart. We get a basic data series chart. Take a moment to check if you have understood. You can always pause the video and go back. To change the data source for the chart, under Design tabs in the Chart Tools, select on Select Data. In the Select Data Source dialog box, select on the Switch Row All. This is the updated table after we have switched the data. A new row is added to the table. We need to add it to the chart. To add this row to the chart, in the Select Data Source dialog box, under the Legend Entry Series, select Add button. Select only on the series, that is year. Under Horizontal Category Axis Labels, select the Edit button. Now select the range. You can see that the new range is added to the chart. Next, we will modify the chart axis. To do so, under the Design tab in the Chart Tools, select Add Chart Element. Under Axis drop-down, select More Axis option. Select Text Axis. You can see that the axis is updated. Now to enter the axis title, click on this plus sign, select on Primary Horizontal and Primary Vertical Axis. The axes are added. The axis titles too can be edited as we edited the chart title by double clicking on them. Next, we will see how to change the axis values. To do so, under the More Axis option in the Add Chart element, go to Format Axis. The maximum bond value on the axis is 8000. The major units on the axis are 1000 apart. Change the bond value on the axis to 10,000 and change the maximum units on the axis to 2000. You can see the changes on the axis accordingly. Next, we want to shift the chart from sheet 1 to sheet 2. To do so, under the Design tab in the Chart Tools, select on Move Chart. You can either create a new sheet here and give it a name, or you can add to the sheet 2 from the drop down. You can see the chart has moved from sheet 1 to sheet 2. To check how the trend is moving in this line chart, under the Design tab in the Chart Tools, select on Add Chart Element. Under Trend Lines, select Linear. This shows the trend in this line chart. Take a moment to check if you have understood. If no, you can always pause and go back. There might be variations at each point in this line chart. This shows the trend in this line chart. Variation in this line chart is also known as error bars. To display these error bars, under error bars, select More Error Bar option. Select vertical error bar direction on both. Select Gap in End Tile. These are the bars showing trend at each point. Take a moment to check if you have understood. If no, you can always pause the video and go back. To show variation in data in a simple table as this, we use Spark Line Chart. To do so, select the table. In the Insert tab, under Spark Lines group, select Lines. Now this is the selected data range. In the location range, select the location where you want the chart to be displayed. The Sparkline charts can also be changed. To do so, select the charts. You can see the Sparkline tools are displayed. Select on the column Sparkline chart. The updated Sparkline charts is displayed. Now you can see this chart has two types of data, that is number of days and profit. It can be displayed using two types of chart in one chart. This is called combination chart. To get this, go to the Insert tab. In the chart group, select Combo Chart. You can see that this chart displays two types of chart. One is the line chart and the other is the bar chart. Take a moment to check if you have understood. If no, you can always pause the video and go back. We need to create a chart and a table but on two different Excel workbooks. The workbook name here is Charts. We will go to the File tab and select a blank workbook. A new workbook is added. In the new workbook, go to the Insert tab. In the Chart group, select Column Chart. We get a blank chart. Data needs to be added from a different workbook. If you remember the name, it is Charts. In the Chart tools, under Design, select Data. In the chart data range, we will write the formula open square bracket charts.xlsx close square bracket sheet 1 colon $A $1 colon $D $7. It means that the data range is in workbook charts in sheet 1 and the range is from A1 to D7. This is our chart. The table and chart are on different workbooks. Take a moment to check if you have understood. You can always pause the video and go back. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get reminders of my new videos. See you all next time.